common hand position and posture issues for beginning percussionists. Check posture. Feet shoulder width apart. Hips square to the instrument. Shoulders relaxed and down. Stand straight, no slouching. Check the grip. Matched grip only. Fulcrum, no gap between thumb and hand. Fingers in contact with the sticks. Beads of sticks together. Sticks form a 90 degrees angle. Sticks point slightly downward. Grip engaged even when the hand isn't playing. Check the stroke. Play on your dots. This is the two places where the sticks make contact with the surface. Motion from the wrist. Fingers. Contact without pressure, only there for support. Arms are relaxed but do not contribute to the stroke, so they wiggle as a response to the wrist. Perfecting percussion starts with proper posture and grip. Stand tall, hold firm, and let your wrists lead the rhythm. Remember, precision in your position paves the path to outstanding performance.